Regarding completion and travel, the length of stay is the amount of time international services estimates it will take to complete your studies. Generally, undergraduates are estimated at 4 years, and graduate students are estimated at 2 years to complete their studies. If you need more time to complete your program of study, please request an extension from the International Services Office before your I-20 or DS 2019 expires. Your F1 or J1 stay comes to an end when you complete your studies, even if your I-20 or DS 2019 end date is in the future. The date you complete your studies is actually the last day of your legal student status. For some students, program structure requires the completion of certain post-coursework, research, or papers. Please note the following. So if you are a student with coursework requirements only, the F1 or J1 stay ends the last day in which you complete coursework requirements. If you're a student who is writing a thesis or dissertation, your F1 or J1 stay ends the last day of the term in which you defend your thesis or dissertation. You are permitted to remain in the US for a period of time after you complete your studies. This time frame is referred to as a grace period. For F1 students, the grace period is 60 days, and for J1 students, the grace period is 30 days. Before traveling outside the United States, be sure your and your dependents' I-20 or DS 2019 has been signed for travel at international services. You can only enter the United States with a valid I-20 visa and passport. Departure from the US for less than 5 months is called a leave of absence. If you must depart the US and unenroll or withdraw from your courses, please make an appointment with your immigration advisor in the International Services Office. Failure to report absences from the United States could result in the termination for unauthorized leave of your SEVIS status. A 5-month or greater absence from the United States terminates your F1 status. Some exceptions do exist though. Students who have interrupted their F1 status are not eligible for off-campus work benefits, such as OPT, which is optional practical training, or CPT, which is curriculum practical training, until they have completed 9 months in F1 status after their re-entry. Please make an appointment with the International Services Office if you wish to depart from the United States for over 5 months.